video, I'll show you how to verify your account on YouTube so you can get more features like custom thumbnails and longer uploads. To get started, go to youtube.com/verify. Note that this verification is different from some of the verification badges you might find on other channels. Select the country you're in and pick if you want to get a phone call or a text message. If you pick a phone call, you'll get an automated call immediately after you enter your number. So click Get Code after you make sure you have your phone nearby. Now enter the phone number and hit Get Code to get a call with a code. If you prefer text, select Text me the verification code and enter your phone number. Once you get a text or phone call, enter the code you receive and hit Submit. When you get back to the status and features page, you'll now see that your account is verified. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.